In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 which appears when you can't log into your Snapchat account. This error usually means Snapchat has temporarily banned your account and device because it detected something unusual, such as too many failed login attempts, repeated password resets, or possible unauthorized access attempts. In most cases, this ban is temporary, and the best solution is simply to wait. Try waiting around 15 to 20 minutes and then log in again. If that does not work, wait a few hours or even up to a day, as Snapchat usually removes the restriction automatically once the system confirms there is no real threat. If waiting does not immediately solve the issue, there are a few things you can try. First, check your internet connection. Switch your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Changing networks can sometimes help because Snapchat may recognize the login attempt as coming from a different network, which can allow access again. Another thing you can try is making sure Snapchat has permission to access your location. Open your phone settings and locate Snapchat in the app list. Check if location access is available and enable it if possible. Allowing location access can help Snapchat verify that the login attempt is legitimate and may help clear the SS06 restriction. If none of these steps work, the last thing you can do is completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.